Good morning children, welcome back to our maths class. So in our today's session we will see page number 65 of your textbook. On that one sum is given there. I am talking about this sum. And our chapter is chapter number 6, the junk seller. So on your textbook, see page number 65 of your textbook. 65 page number, downside one question is given. I am talking about this question, downside. I have written the question here. What is the question? Let's read. Kiran bought 1 kg plastic for rupees 10. Okay. Kiran has bought plastic. 1 kg plastic she has bought. Bought यानी खरीदना. What rupees she has got? So for rupees 10. Okay. 1 kg plastic rupees 10. But sold 1 kg plastic for rupees 12. Right? Here it is different. She bought यानी उसने खरीदा 1 किलो प्लास्टिक खरीदा तो उसको कितने पैसे देने पड़े 10 रुपीस देने पड़े. Then she sell 1 kg plastic sell उसने वो प्लास्टिक को दूसरे किसी को बेच दिया and that in rupees 12. Okay, that is rupees 12. खरीदा 10 रुपए में और फिर किसी को बेच दिया 12 रुपीज़ में. सपोज ये डस्टर है, ये डस्टर मैं मार्केट में से 10 रुपए में लेकर आई. ओके ना, अब ये किसी और को चाहिए तो मैं ये डस्टर किसी को 12 रुपीज़ में बेच दूंगी, सेल करूंगी इन दिस वे. देन द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मच डज शी अर्न ऑन सेलिंग 1 प्लास्टिक. तो ये उसने जो प्लास्टिक बेच दिया तो उसको कितने का प्रॉफिट हुआ, उसको कितने रुपीज़ मिले. दैट वन वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. मीन्स व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट हियर इन द रुपीज़. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द डिफरेंस कि उसको प्रॉफिट हुआ है या उसको लॉस हुआ है, उसको पैसे ज़्यादा मिले हैं या उसने जो पैसे 10 रुपीज़ दिए थे उससे उसको कम मिले हैं. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द डिफरेंस between this rupees 12 and rupees 10. So how we find out the difference? We find out the difference by subtraction. Okay, so what we will do, we will just write here difference because we have to find out the difference in selling and buying. So we will write here difference. Which difference? किस बात का difference? So selling plastic, जब उसने प्लास्टिक बेचा तब का डिफरेंस, एंड बाइंग प्लास्टिक. राइट. सो सी सेल द प्लास्टिक इन रुपीज 12. राइट. 1 kg प्लास्टिक एंड 1 kg प्लास्टिक व्हेन शी बाय, जब उसने खरीदा तो शी बॉट इट इन रुपीज 10. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट डिफरेंस. सो मनी विल बी एज इट इज द सिंबल ऑफ मनी. 10 minus 12 minus 10, that is 2. So what profit she has? She has got 2 rupees more. उसको कितने पैसे ज़्यादा मिले? She has got 2 rupees more. So Kiran bought 1 kg plastic for 10 rupees but sell 1 kg plastic for 12 rupees. How much does she earn on selling 1 kg? So on selling 1 kg she got rupees 2 more. Okay, उसने जो प्लास्टिक खरीदा था वो उसको बेच दिया तो उसके बाद में उसको कितने रुपीज़ ज़्यादा मिले? 2 रुपीज़ उसको ज़्यादा मिले. 2 रुपीज़ का उसको फ़ायदा हुआ, प्रॉफिट हुआ. Now on the same page downside one question is there. Last line here, last line, see this line, that one I have written here. What is written here? So how much more money does she earn for 63 kg? So 63 kg के लिए वो कितना मनी अर्न करेगी? So we find out that for 1 kg when she sell 1 kg plastic she earn rupees 2. है ना, अभी हमने निकाला कि उसने 1 किलो प्लास्टिक बेचा. for 1 kg plastic she earn rupees 2. So they are asking for the 63 kg. So for the 63 kg plastic how much she earn, उसको कितना प्रॉफिट होगा, वो कितना कमाएगी, that one we have to find out. The information is given about the 1 kg, that 1 kg plastic when she sell then she got 2 rupees. So for 63 kg plastic how much she will get? So we have to do cross multiplication over here as we are doing 63 multiplied by 2 and divided by 1. Right. Now let's do the multiplication here. 63 multiplied by 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So what is the answer? Our answer is 126 divided by 1 is equal to 126. What is this 126? 126 is rupees. Okay, we are talking about rupees. So this 126 is the rupees that she earned after selling 63 kg plastic. Right. So answer we have to write. So let's write answer. What answer we will write? will write, so she earned rupees 126 for 63 kg plastic. Means when she sells 63 kg plastic, she has the income of 126 rupees more. ज़्यादा पैसे उसको मिलेंगे. 126 means this is the profit. ये उसका क्या हुआ? Profit हुआ. So this is the question about the page number 65. Now we will see page number 66. Now let's see page number 66 of your textbook. The heading is given. Which heading is given on the page number 66? Kiran sells 32 kg iron. This is the heading. Who sell 32 kg iron? So Kiran sell 32 kg iron. This is the heading. What is written here? The first question is given in the textbook, that is how much money will Dinu pay for 32 kg iron? Dinu 32 kg आयन जब वो खरीदेगा तो वो कितना पैसा किरण को देगा, that one we have to find out. So first of all we have the list in the Dinu shops. So in that list for the cost of the iron we will see, we have the list on the page number 65. Children see here, here it is given for the iron rupees 14. Okay, 1 kg iron rupees 14. So that one we will use. So what will we write? 1 kg iron, 1 cost of 1 kg iron is equal to, what is the cost of 1 kg iron? So the cost of 1 kg iron is rupees 14. How you know? It is given in the cost list we have seen on the page number 65 on purple color. Okay, and cost of 32 kg iron we have to find out. So given for the 1 kg iron and asking for the 32 kg iron. So what we are doing always, as usual, we are doing the cross multiplication, that is 32 multiplied by 14 divided by 1. Now this one you have to do by the box method. Okay, box method से आपको करना है. So let's do by the box method. First of all divide how we divide this, how we separate it. So 30 will be 30 plus 2, right? 30 plus 2 क्या होता है? 32. Same way 14 is equal to 10 plus 4, that is 14. One number should be in the form of the tens. Okay, and another number you have to add it. So now we have here 1, 2, 3 and 4 numbers. So let's do box multiplication here. These two numbers I will write here 30 and 2, and these two numbers I will write here 10 and 4. Okay, now what to do? 10 multiplied by 30. Now directly I will do and directly I will write, because in the previous we have written 30. Okay, chalo let's do it. कर लेते हैं बस. And 10 multiplied by 2. Here 4 multiplied by 30 and again 4 multiplied by 2. So 4 2s are 8, right? 4 2s are 8. Then 0, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, right? Then here 10 2s are 20, and here 0 0 and 3 1s are 3, right? Now we have 300, 120, 20 and 8. So let's add all this together. 300, here I will do 300. So here I have done the addition work and my answer is 448. This 448, what is this? That is the answer of this. So the cost of the iron, 32 kg iron is equal to 448. So we have to write the answer. What answer we will write? Cost of 32 kg, cost of the 32 kg iron is equal to 448 rupees. So this is about how much money will Dinu pay. So Dinu will pay 448 kg, 448 rupees for 32 kg iron. This answer also you can write, or you can write Dinu pay 448 rupees for 32 kg iron. Okay, so let's write that one answer, that is more perfect. So this is our answer. Dinu pay rupees 448 for 32 kg iron. Now here after this second question, now see second question, same page number. Kiran buys 1 kg iron for rupees 12. शी हैज़ बाय 1 kg उसने आयरन खरीदा, बाय मीन्स टू परचेज ₹10 and for that she has given ₹12 to the shopkeeper but sell it for 14 rupees और उसने 12 rupees में खरीदा और 14 rupees में बेच दिया. How much does she earn when she sells 32 kg of the iron? Same हमने जैसे पहले किया था, same way. First of all we have to find out for the 1 kg and then we will find out for the 32 kg. So how you find out? So let's see first. We have to find out the difference for 1 kg iron. So when difference we have to find out selling and buying price is there. So पहले हम लिखेंगे selling price. So selling price minus buying price. Buying यानी खरीदा. So she has buy 1 kg iron in rupees 12. Right? It is given here. And she sell, उसने उसको बेच दिया, she sell it in rupees 14, right? And what we want the difference, and whenever we want the difference, what we are doing, we just take out this 12 from the 14, so you will get the answer. So when we take out this 12 from 14, you will get the answer as a 2. So she has got ₹2 more on selling 1 kg of the iron, right? 1 kg iron. So answer we will write for that. We will write she earns. So here I have written she earned ₹2 for selling 1 kg iron. Right? 12 rupees में खरीदा, 14 में बेच दिया, तो she has got 2 rupees more, जो 2 rupees उसको ज़्यादा मिले for 1 kg iron. Now we have to find out for the 32 kg iron कि अगर वो 32 kg iron बेच देती है तो in ₹14 के दाम से, so what she got more, that one we have to find out. So she earns for 1 kg rupees, for 1 kg iron ₹2. 1 kg iron उसने बेचा तो उसको ₹2 का प्रॉफिट हुआ. So for 32 kg iron, how much she will earn? So the information given about the 1 kg iron and asking for the 32 kg iron. So what we have to do here? We have to do cross multiplication. But the cross multiplication you have to do by the box method. So which two numbers we have? This one. So first of all let's separate it. So in this way 30 I have converted 30 plus 2 and here 2 is alone in the ones place. So no need to do, as it is we can keep. Now let's do the box. So in the box here 30 will come, here 2 will come, right? Now see, always 2 numbers are here but this time 1 number here. So no need to do anything, just put a single number. Now no need to draw another box downside. Okay, what you have to do? 2 multiplied by 30, then 2 multiplied by 2. So 2 multiplied by 30, that is 16, and 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. Now what to do? We have to add both these. So let's add here 60 plus 4, that is 64, right? Okay, so in this way, so 64 rupees she earned on selling 32 kg iron. This is the box method. I shifted this box here. ये box को मैं थोड़ा सा यहाँ कर देती हूँ. And this method I continue here. So 2 method by 2 method you can do. This method also and box method also. And then afterwards I will write the answer over here. See, I have shifted this. Another box method. Now this one we will continue. So 32 multiplied by 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6 divided by 1 is equal to 64. What is this 64? 64 rupees. Here also we got 64. Here also we got this one. So 2 methods we use here. This is the one method. This is the box method. So answer we have to write. So we will write the answer. What we will write? She earns rupees. She earns rupees 64 for selling when sells 32 kg iron. Okay, so this is about page number 64 about the Kiran, right? Next this is the B1. In B2 part is there, part 1, part 2. Now we will see C in the next session or in the next video. Till that, bye and have a good day, children.